And now your first Horn 5 forecast, certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
All right, a good Tuesday afternoon, mid-Michigan. We hope your week is still going great so far. It does look like we will have another round of some showers and storms to track for you as we go into the lunch hour and past that later on today. As of right now, there are just a few light showers trying to get going here. One near Tuscola and Lapeer County. We did have a few more light showers moving throughout the Thumb region into Huron County and even a few more towards Isco and Alcona County. Nothing severe with these showers or storms. It's going to be what we anticipate later on this afternoon and into the evening to be a little bit more on the stronger side. Now here's the setup. We do have a warm frontal boundary that's going to continue to move north as we go into the afternoon. That's going to help to bring in some more heat and moisture and humidity. Area of low pressure off to our northwest, and it's going to be this cold frontal boundary as it moves east into the afternoon and evening being our lifting mechanism to get some more showers and storms promoted. It does look like pretty much right around 2-3 o'clock is when we're really going to have to start watching the skies, and it's going to be starting again further north and west of the Tri-Cities. And as we go throughout time, it does look like it's going to be a little bit more of a way of a line, I'm thinking, once we get closer to around dinner time tonight, 5-6 o'clock, closer to the Tri-Cities areas in towards the Thumb. And then once we go past that into dinner time, past that into around 7-8 o'clock, areas further south and east, that's going to be your better chance to get in on some of the action with some of these storms. Once we do get past midnight, however, that front will clear the area. That's going to get rid of our severe threats, and we could be left with a few more sprinkles, maybe a spotty shower as we go into the early hours of your Wednesday morning. Then again, what we've had over the past few mornings, there will be the chance for some patchy fog development for your Wednesday morning commute, so that will also be something to keep in mind. But things will be improving, though. Once we get into your Wednesday afternoon, looks like we'll see some decreasing cloud cover and then the chance for some more rays of sunshine, and that will come with less humidity, too, as we go into the day tomorrow. But we're still holding on to that chance again for some strong to severe storms. The Storm Prediction Center did bring that slight risk just further off to the north and west for this afternoon and into the evening. Again, damaging winds, heavy rain, and some heavy downpours are going to be your main threats. And for today, we're also watching the wind fields a little bit more, especially elevated in the upper atmosphere. So it could promote an isolated brief spin-up tornado. Here's breaking that down a little bit more, that slight risk that we've been talking about time and time again. If you're not as familiar with it, we're looking at short-lived, not widespread storms, but your main threats and your hazards right there at the bottom of your screen. Damaging winds and hail. And we're also going to keep that chance again for a few brief spin-up tornadoes. This information's not to scare you, but it's to keep you prepared for what we've seen time and time again over the summer months. So looks like we're going to have another round to deal with as we go into the afternoon and evening. Forecast today, a little bit warmer than where we've been over the past several days. We'll call for the low to mid 80s as we go into the afternoon. That's going to come with a little bit more in the way of humidity as well. Your dew points back up there into the upper 60s, near 70. Also going to help promote some of that storm development as we're going throughout today into the afternoon and evening. We'll lose the severe threat once we get past midnight tonight, decreasing clouds, and then a little bit of patchy fog will also be on the table as we go into your Wednesday morning. Temps tonight right there down near the 50s, and then you get a little bit of a warm up too once we get closer to the weekend. Summer's still trying to hang on back into the 80s, it looks like, as we get there near Saturday and Sunday. So the 7-day forecast, you will have the storm chance today, decreasing clouds on Wednesday, a little bit more sunshine on Thursday, possibly a few spotty showers as we get into the weekend. Nothing too promising, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. That bigger story for the weekend, going to be temps a little bit warmer, back in the mid 80s by next week. Blake, back to you.
All right, sounds good, John. I appreciate it. Thank you.